Here's another new one. There's our blue girl. A blue girl. There's our purple girl. There's our black girl. And it's all on her fur. It's our black female. Everybody's wet. The grass is wet. There's our no collar male. Here's our green girl. Come here, Tutti Frutti. Come on, Tutti Frutti. Hey, Mama, bring the babies. Powder, come. Bring blue girl. Come on, blue girl. Come on, blue girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here's our black female, black collar female. When I say black, that's just the color of the collars. We only have one male, and so when I say male, that's him. We have two, however, that's Skittles, and you know, I don't have him up for placement this time. It's evident why. I don't know where he'll be in 2 weeks or 4 weeks or 6 weeks from now. We will and are taking it day and week by week and day by day. And this male, he chewed my finger off. Powder, come over here, please, and quit aggravating. Powder, come now. Come on, you're aggravating. I'm going to turn on the light. Alright, I'm going to cut this one short, and then I'm going to start a new video with the light on now. It's getting dark outside. Oh, you're chewing my finger off, mister. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. Here. What? Hey, you? Hey, you? What? 4-week-old, you're pretty... Huh? What? Huh? Huh? Get him, Mama. He's misbehaving. He's misbehaving, Mama. Straighten him out. That's a good mama. Do you hear him growling? Misbehaving? You calm yourself down, did you? See? I told you Mama would get after you. Yeah, I'll lay here and play with you, but see, you must be more gentle. You're growling like that. Your mama's not going to tolerate that. She's not doing it's Granny. Not doing it's Granny. But Mama's the one that straighten out. Yeah. Here, you want a leaf? Here. Have a leaf. Have a leaf. Play with this leaf. Alright, I'm going to shut this video down and get some light on it. Okay.